Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Boxycharm box for this month, which is the month of October. I am giving you guys the full prices and my opinion on whether this box is worth it. And before you guys start watching, I just want to thank Boxycharm because they did give me this box. So thank you so much, Boxycharm, and if you want to know, please keep on watching. So in this month's Boxycharm box, it came with this Ace Biaut lip combo. One of them is neutral and one of them is reddish color. This one's So Gorgeous and this one is called So Peachy. Oh no, Be Peachy, sorry. It also came with this Nesting Bee Face by Pretty Vulgar. It's a face palette. I just don't want to say the word because I don't want my video getting banned. And it comes with these shades. It comes with blushes, highlighters, and some shades for the contour. And also came with this Farsali moisturizer serum. I did try this Grown Alchemist, I don't know how to say it, mattifying primer, or I should say moisturizer, it's not a primer. It's a matte balancing moisturizer. And it also came with this Frank Body caffeinated scrub, looks like. Oh no, it's a glow mask. And then the prices for this Resting Bee Face palette is $32. The Grown Alchemist matte balancing moisturizer runs for $69, and it is a really big size. And also then the Farsali moisturizer runs at $24. The Frank Body Glow Mask runs at $21.95. And then these Ace Biaut, I don't know if I'm saying it right, Biaut, Beauty, I don't know, Draw Lip Liner Duo runs at $16. So all of this products that came in this month's Boxycharm box, got it all for $25. So if you are interested in subscribing to the Boxycharm box, I'll link my link down below. It is worth it. I personally think that this is one of the most worth boxes to be subscribed to because you get full-size products. As you guys could tell, the most expensive item in this box is this mattifying primer or moisturizer. I don't know why I keep saying primer, but this one is the most expensive. So let me go ahead and add that up for you guys so you guys know how much is in this box, and it's only worth $25. So let me go ahead and pull up my calculator, start adding these things up. So it's worth $130, everything that is in this box, which is a total of 5 items. 5 items. And you will only be paying $25. So once again, I think this box is well worth it because once again, you get full-size products. You don't get trial sizes. No, you get full-size products. So if you guys are interested, again, to subscribe to the Boxycharm box, I'll link my link down below. Honestly, like I said, your money is well worth it because it's full-size products. Sometimes you can even create a full face off of a box, so I really think it's worth it. So with that being said, I hope you guys either decide to subscribe to the box or not, but I really think, like I said, I think it's worth it. And also don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media that I'll link down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.